Chapter 10: Advanced Instagram Marketing Tactics. To elevate your Instagram strategy, advanced tactics can help you increase engagement, drive conversions, and build a stronger connection with your audience. These strategies focus on innovative methods to maximize your brand's impact on the platform. Developing a content calendar. A content calendar helps maintain consistency and relevance. Plan posts around key themes, events, and campaigns to ensure a steady flow of engaging content. Mix content types. Include photos, videos, carousels, stories, reels, and IGTV to keep your feed dynamic and cater to various audience preferences. Use scheduling tools. Platforms like Later or Hootsuite allow you to schedule content in advance, maintain consistency, and analyze performance. Include user-generated content. Showcase customer content to build social proof and engage your community. Mastering Instagram shopping. Instagram shopping turns your profile into a storefront, enabling direct product sales through posts, stories, and reels. Tag products. Use product tags in posts and stories to make content shoppable. Include detailed descriptions and high-quality images to attract buyers. Utilize shopping stickers. Feature new arrivals or limited-time offers in stories with shopping stickers to encourage purchases. Leverage live shopping. Host live shopping events to promote products in real time, interact with viewers, and drive immediate sales. Enhancing engagement with community management. Active community management boosts engagement and fosters loyalty. Respond to comments and DMs. Engage with your audience by answering questions and acknowledging feedback to build stronger connections. Create a branded hashtag. Encourage followers to share content with a branded hashtag to increase visibility and community involvement. Host Q&A sessions. Use stories or Instagram Live to answer questions and engage directly with followers. Leveraging advanced ads and retargeting. Advanced ads and retargeting strategies help reach highly targeted audiences. Retargeting campaigns. Re-engage users who have interacted with your brand through ads that remind them of your products or promotions. Custom and lookalike audiences. Use data to create audiences similar to your best customers or those who have previously engaged. A/B testing. Test different ad elements, e.g., visuals, copy, to optimize performance. Utilizing new features and trends. Stay updated with Instagram's latest features and trends to keep content fresh and engaging. Experiment with new tools. Early adoption of new features can set your brand apart and increase engagement. Capitalize on trends. Participate in trending challenges or topics relevant to your brand to boost discoverability. Advanced Instagram tactics, like a strategic content calendar, shoppable posts, community management, targeted ads, and staying ahead of trends, can help you optimize your strategy for greater impact. By continuously refining your approach, you can drive meaningful engagement and achieve sustained success on Instagram.